Hi everyone, welcome in another session of AI/ML. So today we are going ahead to discuss about the third week project. Okay, the third week project we will be going ahead with. Okay, let me just go ahead with first. I'll just share my screen. Just wait a moment. Let me share my screen. Yeah. Hopefully my screen is all visible to you people. You are able to see it. So this is coming down to the third week project. So there is a small minor mistake up here. So this is basically designed for the unsupervised one. Okay, but the data for the third week, the sessions that we have conducted that are basically for supervised. Okay, guys. So make sure that you perform it for supervised. Okay. So just ignore the techniques. You can take the project title and accordingly the same project. The data set you can choose the same, and for coming down for the technique, you will be choosing any of the supervised technique for a classification or regression, whatever be it. Based on the data set, you can go ahead and just go for it. So some of the data sets are really about clusterings, so you can just omit that. But if there is any of the data set that is totally related to the related to the supervised part of it, you can choose that and you can work it accordingly. Fine. So suppose like customer segmentation for a retail store, if the data set is like that, if the data frame contains anything relevant to the classification, like two type of customers are being segregated, you will just perform without clustering, you will just perform the classification. Okay, that is the main thing I just wanted to tell you. And about the technique, you can choose any of the supervised based any of the learning algorithm up here. Okay, coming down to the thing that you will be going ahead, the same kind of data set you will be, and the same kind of template you will be following that we have already explained in first week project. So you will be going down with explaining each, like you will be going down with each part of it, the project name, with coming down with the project summary, with the GitHub link you can skip, no issues with that. You will go down with a proper problem statement. Then you will go down with your data. So you will go down importing the libraries, data set loading, data set first view, data set rows and column count, data set information. What did you know about your data set? Now coming down with understanding your variables, data wrangling process, data visualization, that is also mandatory that you need to do. This is supervised. That doesn't mean you will not do the visualization. You have to do the visualization for sure. Okay. So here we have maximum put at 15 plots. You have to max put around 10 to 15 plots for this. And this hypothesis testing part you can skip, or if you want, you can do it. But for now, you can skip this hypothesis testing part. Majorly, you will go down for this feature engineering and data pre-processing, like handling missing data, or handling outliers, categorical encoding, textual data processing, like whatever be the stuff it is there. Also, you can include this kind of steps like handling missing values, handling outliers. This you can include in the data wrangling process only. Okay, so encoding also you can do it mainly in case of feature engineering and feature engineering part. You will conclude the any of the feature engineering, feature selection, then feature scaling. If anything relevant to that it is required, like if anything you need the dimensionality reduction, data scaling, data transformation, that you will be doing up here. Feature manipulation and feature selection, that you will be doing up here. Okay, guys. So this is how you need to do it. And this is how you need to take it work, make it work. Okay. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is how you need to work it through. So after this, you will move down to the ML model implementation. Okay, ML model implementation. So here, basically, how you will be moving in, you will be taking the different models like ML model 1, ML model 2, ML model 2, 3, like this. Three different models you will be taking. So suppose for the initial case of classification, you have taken the logistic regression first, then you have taken either ridge regression or elastic net regression as a second model. And the third model, you have taken any of the three base, maybe XGBoost, or you have taken light GBM, any one of it. Okay. So like this, you will be taking three different models. Like you will be having the same data set. You will be splitting the data set into two halves, like X train, X test, Y train, Y test, like this. You will be splitting it, and it's splitting. After splitting, you will be just going for model. So three different model you will be taking, and you will choose, and you will be just getting the accuracy of the model. Like you will be checking the accuracy of the model, and also make sure that you check if your model is overfitted or not. Okay, so make sure that you check if your model is overfitted or not. Okay, so you will check your model performance, that is evaluating your model. So you will be taking the evaluation matrix as the evaluation matrix as the accuracy. Okay, after you have checked in, you will be going down, and eventually you will move in. Okay, after you will be checking, after checking the three one, like the you have checked for three models, so you will be countering with the three different accuracy of three different models. Okay, so after that, you will prepare a tabular form matrix for just for like all of the accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score will be there for all of the three model in a tabular form. We need to showcase all of the details for all of the three models. Okay, that you will be presenting. Okay, that you will be presenting. And if required, you can also visualize the matrix of yours, like F1 score, recall of all of the three models, means you have to compare the evaluation matrices of all the three models. The one that is has the better accuracy or better evaluation matrix, that means the model is performing better. So you will just choose that model, and you will go down and add the future work, and you will add the conclusion. Okay, so this is the work that you will be having. So the same data set you will be choosing from here, and in respect of clustering, you will be performing classification. Okay, so for which data set that is possible, you will be taking that, and you will be doing that. Okay, you will be doing that part of it. Okay, so this segment is basically for supervised. So don't use any of the unsupervised learning algorithm. You can use any of the supervised learning algorithm. Supervised comprises of uh, prediction and classification. If any of the data set you find that goes for classification, go down for classification. If any of the data set you find here, just choose the data sets from here only, from among 15. Okay, and then just go ahead, either for precision or sorry, either for prediction or go for classification. Either you can go for precision, prediction or classification. Okay, for classification, there are many algorithms out there that you can work, like you have like logistic regression, you have decision tree, you have K nearest neighborhood, like that. All of this are there. You can just work any one of them. Okay. So you have XG boost, you have decision tree, you have CAD boost, you have random forest. Many are there. Okay. So you can just work it through with that and complete this, and make sure that you have to take three different models, three different supervised models only. Okay, make sure that you take three different supervised models, and check the accuracy of three of these models, and which one is going the best, you will choose that model and come down with the future work with that and conclusion part. Okay, so this is how you need to work for this week's project. Okay, guys, hopefully things are clear to you. You have, if any doubt, any query are there, we will be there to help you out. And also, we will be connected through WhatsApp, or you can also mail us. So we will be there to help you out in any regards it is possible. But you have to complete your project within the deadline. And also about submitting your project, you need to take your project after completion to the GitHub. You will upload your project in the GitHub, and you will get a link, GitHub repo link for this project. You need to share that in the mail. Also, you need to prepare the video presentation. Video presentation is mandatory for all of the week's project, as you know by now, because this is going down to be the third week. So you have to prepare a well explained video presentation video that you have to upload in Google Drive, and you have to give us the link for that in the mail. And for the attachment in the mail, make sure you attach the collab file and also the data set. Fine. And in the presentation itself, you have to explain each part of it. Like also you have to explain the data set, what is the raw data set, what are the models you are including, why you are including that model, what are the insight you have got from the visualization after doing the EDA, that you also have to mention for sure. Okay, guys. Hopefully things are clear to you. So we will be meeting in the next session. Till then, thank you everyone for connecting in today's session.